Hello to all of our DS friends and everyone all around the world. It's March 13th, 2018, and we're getting our third nor'easter here in the last 10 days, and it's been a very active March with the wintry weather. We hope everybody is doing okay and keeping warm and safe, and hoping everybody's power remains on. It's just starting this morning here, and it's a little after 7 a.m. and the snow is it's been coming down, the winds have been picking up, and the visibility off in the distance is can barely see too far. Toward that way is the ocean, about 20 minutes from us, and the storm is really coming through now, and we're starting to see some heavier snow coming around. I'll make a few videos in the course of the day. They're calling for possibly 14 inches or more here in southeastern Connecticut, and we're all ready for it. I just put some treats outside for the birds and squirrels here. I'm not hearing too many birds this morning, so good there. Also keeping warm where they are. Starting to pick up the winds. Incredible, third nor'easter in 10 days span here. It's supposed to snow until way tonight, and could be over a foot or more there, so it's March has been really snowy last 10 days. There's a couple birds over here in the trees. I see them over here. I remember about 5 or 6 years ago we had a 83-degree day in March, and remember we were all sitting outside eating and everything, and it's just been really, really active with the weather this year, with the wintry weather. I think the heavy snow is starting to arrive in our area too, so I can hear some snowplows off in the distance. Thankfully our fruit trees haven't blossomed yet. We just getting them pruned for the spring season in gardening, and we have an apple tree and a pear tree, another apple tree over there, and a peach tree. See Mr. Nut Squirrel up there in the tree. I put a lot of treats out for them, so they'll be okay to stock up. The snow right now feels like a really wet snow. You can see it like gathering on the trees here. It reminds us of last week's snow. It was very heavy, slushy snow. But this snow is supposed to, accumulate, 14 inches maybe or more here in our area. These nor'easters are pretty wild. Shortly after 7 now, so this is my first video of the day. I'll be coming back out a little bit later, do another video or two, and hope everybody has a lot of warmth and keeps safe, and hopefully the power remains on for everybody too, and hope everybody's all set and ready for the big nor'easter here. We charged up our batteries and everything, and getting all set yesterday for it too, so but I'll be back outside later and make another video. Keep safe, everybody.